So we're off on a new trail today. It's got lots of rocks. Pretty cool. All built up along here. Just bunches of them. It's very pretty. But as you can see, we got some awful rain and thunderclouds overhead. Isn't that cool, the sun there? But it's actually starting to rain now. So it's a good thing I brought a sweater. But all I know about this trail is it has a number 3 on it. I think it was the one that I was traveling the other day, and I turned because it didn't look familiar to me. And Cooper, he's down there trying to weed out some water. We got lots of rain clouds coming there, bud. It looks like there's a woods road like over there. I think maybe they started to make another trail, because it kind of follows this whole trail length. But anyway, it is starting to pour rain, so it looks like I'm gonna have to get a sweater on here. I gotta get under a tree. So anyway, kind of a short video, but that's what happens this time of the year. Well, it's kind of calmed down a bit, so we'll keep going for a little ways. I'm just making a short, so we're just out on our daily stroll through the woods. Anything exciting comes up, I'll hop on video.